Hello, today we've come to Charlecote Park.
Yes, Charlecote Park is National Trust property, 4 miles east of Stratford.
Looking forward to it.
Yes, me too.
Deep in the Warwickshire countryside, Charlecote lies peacefully on the banks of the River Avon between Warwick and Stratford. A grand Tudor house surrounded by a deer park and formal gardens.
The Great Hall has a barrel vaulted ceiling made of plaster, painted to look like timber, and is a fine setting for the splendid collection of family portraits. Entering the Great Hall, your eye is caught by an enormous painting over the fireplace. Dating from the mid-1620s, it depicts the family of the third Sir Thomas Lucy.
Five downstairs rooms are currently open to the public, while the 3 upstairs rooms remain closed for conservation. The dining room is currently undergoing repairs due to a leak.
Sir Thomas Lucy tore down an earlier structure to make way for the present house in 1558. He was a man of wealth and entertained Queen Elizabeth I at breakfast in 1572, when she stayed at Charlecote during her royal progress on her way to Kenilworth.
It is still the home of the Fairfax Lucy family, who have lived here for over 900 years. Wealthy country gentry, their income came primarily from land, occasionally supplemented by beneficial marriages. Lucy is believed to have fined the young William Shakespeare over a poaching incident in 1583. This incident prompted Shakespeare to flee for London. The story is improbable, but there is evidence in 2 plays that Shakespeare knew Sir Thomas and had little liking for him, mocking him as the character Justice Shallow.
Much of the house was built during the Tudor period, but most of what visitors can see today is actually Victorian and furnished in true 19th century opulence by Mary Elizabeth Lucy.
From the late 19th century, the family fortunes were fading. Agricultural rents fell as British farming faced competition from overseas. When Lady Ada Fairfax Lucy died in 1944, her son Montgomery inherited, and in 1945 he presented Charlecote and 200 acres to the National Trust.
To the side of the house is the service courtyard. Here you'll find the beautifully preserved laundry and adjoining brewhouse. Around the corner are 3 carriage houses containing one of the best original carriage collections in the National Trust's care. Here you can compare the merits of a phaeton, a barouche or broom.
The kitchen at Charlecote is one of the best surviving Victorian kitchens in Britain. And would have once been the bustling hub of the house. Today, the kitchen is preserved in time, with the fireplace and historic working table taking centre stage.
Well, we've just been in the house. What did you think to it?
Yeah, it was lovely, wasn't it? Yeah, there was a lot of restoration going on and the upstairs was closed, but still lovely to go in and have a look, wasn't it?
It's definitely worth coming to see.
Definitely is. Coffee now?
Yeah, a coffee and then we'll go for a walk.
Sounds good. In the relaxed gardens created by Mary Elizabeth Lucy, you can see beautiful flower borders and a parterre overlooking the river.
I hope you've enjoyed our look around here today.
It's been lovely, hasn't it, Dora?
Yeah, despite the weather.
Yeah, and the fact that the cafe was shut when we got there, so we didn't get a coffee either.
No, we'll have to get one on the way home.
Good idea. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.